Welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, let's just create an Instagram bot from your BotPenguin dashboard. Click on create new bot, choose a use case, then click on Instagram, then click on login. Make sure that you log in with your business account and not with your personal account. Click on login. So BotPenguin is requesting access to your business account. If you select allow, BotPenguin will be able to. Okay, so this is by default selected, and these two, it's your wish, you can deselect them. So click on allow. Okay, so congratulations, the Instagram bot has been created successfully, and you can configure your chat flows and all the automations that is provided by the bot penguin that you may have done for other bots. So this is the bot that we have just created. The name is the same as the name of your business